Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we were going to make a trinket dish, but this turned out way too cute that I decided to keep it as a tabletop decor frame instead. I will be using craft resin epoxy for this project again. As I mentioned before in a previous video, I want to test this resin in different projects to see what it's like so I can give you guys a final review. So for starters, I've been reorganizing all my things in my office yet again, and I came across this empty box that I've been keeping, and I decided to recycle it by cutting out Pusheen's image and put it into resin. Before putting it into resin, I gave it 2 coats of Mod Podge. Since this box is made out of paper, I had to seal it so the paper wouldn't absorb the resin and ruin the image. Once both sides were sealed, I went ahead and started making my really cute frame. I will do my best to link everything I used in the description box in case you guys want to know. So when it comes to adding images or stickers to your resin like this, it's important to make sure that the resin is at its thinnest viscosity. In this one, I waited a little bit too long to add my image because I was trying to make sure that the glitter wasn't going to float to the top. So by the time I went in with the image, the resin had thickened up a bit and I struggled to keep it down. But nonetheless, this turned out way better than I imagined. Since I had struggled a little with this piece, there are some bits I did that I didn't fill. So for example, this shot here, all I did was just add another layer of clear resin with this gorgeous glitter to add more detail before going in with the colored resin. Now this part here was a lot of fun creating, because this technique isn't totally in your control. You do pour the resin where you kind of want it to be, but then when you go in with the heat gun and as it's curing, the resin will shift and you will end up with a really pretty pattern. So as you can see here, an air bubble did get trapped and left a mark. To get rid of it, I mixed up more craft resin and used the opportunity to see how it domes. In my opinion, this resin domes really nicely. It cures really hard and has a lovely shine. And there you have it. This turned out so amazing and I'm really proud. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!